The factory now, yeah, this is our factory. It have five washing production line in our factory now, and there are many crushers here. Yeah, let me introduce for our crusher today. This is the main shaft of the crusher. Mostly are like this. It's a very good quality, very thickness. Our crusher part. Every crusher has the ladder for easy to climb up to fixing the crushers. This is the heavy duty one. Yeah. The hydraulic for change the spring and open the hopper. It's another one. And here are two seats. There are some on the complete projection line. Yeah, connect with